Hey everybody, really quick video. I wanted to come give you an update now that I've had my unit for a few weeks, how I'm caring for my unit as well as how I'm styling my unit. So I wanted to just kind of share a little bit more information now that I've had it for quite some time and share my thoughts and how I still feel about my unit. Stay tuned. Essentially what I'll be demonstrating is a pre-poo as well as a co-wash. As the instructions say, I've sectioned off my hair into 4 larger sections and I'm spritzing it with water. Now I'll just apply my conditioner for my pre-poo. I'll be using TGIN Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner. This is great because it doesn't contain any sulfates, parabens, or petroleum. Now I'll take an even smaller section and begin to finger detangle, and then use my large tooth comb starting at the ends and working my way up to the roots to detangle the hair. As you can see, I'm not having any issues or problems detangling. I'll just complete this process for the entire unit and then install large twist, rinse out, and then towel dry. There's a lot of hair in this unit, and even after all of the detangling, this is the amount of shedding that I had. This is not bad at all, and I'm totally impressed. Now that I've rinsed out the conditioner with my co-wash, I'm going to divide it into smaller sections, apply my TGIN Twist and Define Cream, and install my twist for my twist out. After installing my twist, I allow the unit to set for about a week so I can get the maximum amount of definition. With the unit on, I'm going to carefully untwist the hair, starting at the roots and working my way down to the ends. This will help to alleviate frizz. I love the definition and the sheen, and this is without applying any type of oil to the hair. With all of the twists removed, I'm just going to do some additional separation and fluff as desired. And here are the results from my twist out. I am totally in love with this hair, and I love the fact that it still continues to mimic my natural hair, even after co-washing and detangling. So essentially the care process was very easy, as you saw in the video clips. Me pre-pooing my hair, me adding the product, being able to detangle with my Demon brush. It was so simple, and it really mimics my natural hair texture. I could not be more pleased. But yeah, if you have any additional questions, leave those in the comment section below. I'll be happy to comment and respond and give you any additional feedback I can. And don't forget to check the description box below. I'll have a link for HerGivenHair's website as well as their Instagram account, so you can see how other beauties are rocking their hair, styling their hair, their clip-ins, their units. Yeah, so it's really great ideas there on their Instagram page, and you can see how everybody else is using and styling their hair. So yeah, thanks so much for watching as always. Appreciate your support. Love you guys. Bye.